How to register Presto card. Registering your Presto card allows you to protect your balance and manage transactions. Follow these steps to register your card easily. 1. Visit the Presto website, then click on Sign in and Register at the top right corner. 2. Create a Presto account. Click Create an account on the Presto website, then enter your email address. This will be used for login and account recovery. Next, create a strong password. Make sure it includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for security. Then, provide personal details. This includes your name, phone number, and address, optional but helpful for customer support. Agree to the terms and conditions and review Presto's privacy policy and terms before proceeding. Next, log into your Presto account, enter your card details, and click Submit. Once registered, you can manage funds and track transactions online. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps you to register your Presto card. Thank you.